Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Turtleplays. Just want to say thank you guys so much for 360 subscribers. Pretty cool. It's been a little while since my last video, and sorry about that. But for my little comeback, I will be doing Optimus Prime from, well, Transformers. It's a little difficult to get Peter Cullen's voice down for Optimus Prime. He's obviously the most recognizable. So there will be voice acting involved, which I cannot do, but I made the framework so you can do it. And anyways, I'll give you a quick demonstration of what this sounds like, and we'll get right into how to make it. Let's go.
We've suffered losses, but we've not lost the war. But the day will never come that we forsake this planet and its people. We cannot let the humans pay for our mistakes. I will never stop fighting for our freedom. I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. I send this message to all remaining Autobots in the galaxy. Do not forget what you have learned from our past.
And that's how I made Optimus Prime sound in VoiceMod. Obviously, during the process, if you have a higher and or lower pitch voice, you can always move the pitch around and play with all the settings to best match your voice, because this is to best match my voice, obviously. But you'll need 7 things for this voice, and those 7 things are power pitch, robotifier, distortion, wah-wah, reverb, equalizer, and tremolo. And starting at the top, for power pitch, you'll need a mix of 100, pitch of 40, volume 69. Robotifier, you'll need a mix of 43, modulator 1, 68, modulator 2, 21, and volume 66. For distortion, you'll need a mix of 33, drive 0, and volume 35. Wah-wah, you'll need a mix of 62, frequency of 100, type 16. For reverb, you'll need a mix of 16 and a room size of 47. For the big one, equalizer, you'll need a mix of 66, low frequency 43, gain low frequency 13, mid frequency 38, gain mid frequency 65, high frequency 27, and gain high frequency 50. And lastly, tremolo. You'll need a mix of 13 and a velocity of 91. And that's all you're going to need to make Optimus Prime's voice, or at least the best I could do. If you have any suggestions of other voices I should attempt to do, or if there's a problem with this voice currently, please let me know in the comments. I try to respond to all the comments. If I miss one, I am terribly sorry. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like. No pressure, obviously. Thank you again for 360 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great rest of your morning, afternoon, or night. Goodbye!